Hi, this is Pesky the Cat, and welcome to the second intermission of Bang on a Bogus. Time for me to read the votes. Penny the creator gets a banger with 1. Pepper the creator gets a banger with 3. Zoe the creator gets a banger with 5. Minka the creator is getting a banger with 7. Sunil the creator is getting a banger with 9. Vinny the creator is getting a banger with 11. Russell the creator is getting a banger with 13. Buttercream Sunday the creator is getting a banger with 15. And with Bogus and 17 votes, Ming is out of here. Hit the next one.
You're out of here! You gave me the guy, but you're out of here!